how do you create a product that's not only beautiful, reliable, and efficient, but also capable of making people feel protected? You have to be patient. To invent from scratch, you will need energy and creativity, without forgetting who is your final target. And through expertise and dedication, you'll need to think something simple but groundbreaking, and based on the most advanced technologies. And then turn your innovative project into the creation of something unique. Because during an emergency, a perfect instrument is not enough. It has to be incredible. This is what we do at Spencer. We take care of patients, the ones in need, the ones that need to be protected. And this is why the patients would choose Spencer.